To add page numbers to your document, select Insert, Page Number. Then select where you would like the page number to appear. Scroll through the different options and select the style you like. Word automatically numbers each page for you. If you have a cover page that you don't want numbered, there are 2 more steps. In the Header and Footer Tools Design tab, select Page Number, Format Page Numbers, and set Start At to 0. Select OK. Still in the Header and Footer Tools Design tab, select Different First Page. To go back to your document, select Close Header and Footer. If you want to remove page numbers, select Insert, Page Number, and select Remove Page Numbers.